Secluded in a wooded valley only 2 miles from the royal town of Caernarfon lies the exquisite family-run country park Glangwna. Set in over 100 acres of woodland and parkland grounds, Glangwna offers you the perfect holiday getaway. Spend quality time with loved ones at this great location and enjoy the freedom that you and your family can experience. Surrounded by nature in all its glory, why not let yourself be pampered by Sue? There's also plenty to keep the children occupied, a swimming pool for all to be enjoyed, set in a relaxing atmosphere. Finding your way around the site is easy, and if it's a little tranquility you're after, retire to your home from home to enjoy a little peace and quiet. Whether you visit the local restaurant or eat on site, there is always a good variety. We're child-friendly and always happy to help. On some evenings we also have entertainment. For all your holidaying necessities, the on-site shop caters for all your convenience requirements, and the bar area is also nearby for any refreshment needs. Whether you're a part of the hustle and bustle or after some privacy, it's the perfect location. At Glangwna Country Holiday Park, there's a welcome for the whole family.